So whenever you go around and work with a project inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro, you might notice that it is taking a lot of space and is not optimized. So to address that issue itself, you can go to the File menu right here, and here you can see Optimize Project is an option. So once you go around over here, you can see that you can easily remove out unused elements from the project right here and flatten all the drawings so that it does not take up extra space right here. And what you can also do on top of it is reduce textures resolution of all the drawings in the project as well. So once you do that and press OK, then the operation will be complete and your project will be optimized, and it'll consume way less file size than you started with right here. So you can make further changes right here. So you can go around and work around with textures and everything else. And then later on, you can optimize the project once more. So I'm just going to go around right here. And then let's say I'm just going to go around, draw out a few more things right here. So you can go around and further increase out the details right here, just like this. And to optimize it again, you can go to File, Optimize Project, and run the same option again, and everything will be optimized. So that is how you can optimize project inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.